Hello, welcome to Bentley's Backwoods Bushcraft. This is Richard, and I am super excited. I am just so excited. It's fantastic.
How excited are you?
I'm so excited.
You just can't hide it?
I just can't hide it.
All right, I'll leave you alone now.
Okay, love. Thank you. So, I have not been this enthusiastic about getting out in the woods and fish and just explore and stuff like that. I haven't been this excited in a very long time. So, I'm sure that my idea about just taking some time off and trying to refresh, or whatever, has worked. I'm positive it's worked because now I'm so excited. Anyway, I'm getting ready to take off. I'm going to go fishing. It is going to rain. I mean, you can see the clouds and it's gloomy and it's such a wonderful day. It is just so fantastic out there. Anyway. Here are the tomatoes and the potatoes. Real quick here. The potatoes are doing fantastic, and they will be ready next month. The tomatoes are... Oh, we got two more.
Yep.
Okay, so we got a couple more little ones growing right there. And then we've already plucked two green tomatoes and one red tomato. And then these are turning. These are turning already. Look at that. This is fantastic. These are turning a nice little weird reddish pinkish thing color, and those will be good. And there's another small one growing. So we've definitely got our money's worth on these plants. You agree?
Uh-huh.
Absolutely. All right, so with no further ado, I'm out of here and I'm getting to the woods. All right, so I just got in the van to get ready to take off, and it started to rain. And it's fantastic. I'm still going. I am so excited about this that raining isn't gonna stop me. I'm still doing it. So I'll see you wherever I decide to go. All right, I'm here. Yeah, it's still a little raining, but I don't care. I'm gonna grab my fishing ruck, my fishing pole. I got the batteries in my pocket. Right there is the worms and the other baits, and my two sticks. I might grab those as well and put those in the ground somehow. I don't know, but we're gonna gather up gear and then we're headed into the woods. All right, so I got my ruck. I got my stakes on the back of the ruck. Looks like I'm going out hunting for vampires. I got my pole, and I'm gonna grab this. Stick my umbrella in my pocket just for shits and giggles, and off we go. You see, it is raining a tad bit, but we're good to go. Once I get in the woods, that might stop, or at least it might protect me from a lot of the rain. Woohoo, look, I found some chicory. I love chicory. I've been wanting to do a poster of chicory that I've got for my pagany witchy stuff. So I may grab some of this chicory on the way out if I can remember to do that. Alright, so it is raining a tad bit. I think that I'm going to see about going underneath the bridge before I actually go into the woods and see if it's deep enough to do a little fishing, and then I can hide under the bridge and use it as protection from the rain. But I am definitely more chicory. I'm definitely going to have to go into the woods today and do some footage. Whether or not I take my pole and stuff with me or not is a different story. But I'm so excited. It has been so long since I've been out doing anything like this. Okay, so I've made it under the bridge. And you can see just by looking at the water. The rain is small, but it is coming down. You can see it. But it's time for me to do some fishing.
Do you like fishing in the rain? 'Cause I do.
Yes, how fantastic is that? I'm telling you, it's been a while. It's been several months since I've been in the woods, and I have to honestly say that this is fantastic. I am loving every second of this. I see this as Goddess's way of welcoming me back to the wilderness that I have been gone from for a few months. Tears of joy, and I can hear the dancing in the sky. All right, we're back. I've done a little fishing, didn't catch anything, but I had a great freaking time. It's starting to rain again. I took all my fishing stuff back to the van, and hold on a second. There we go. Clean off the water real quick. Hold up. All right, so I've taken the fishing gear back to the van, and I'm not gonna leave here without a decent walk. I am having such a great time today. Awesome. So I would like to say hi to Jared. He is a new subscriber, and I just met him out here. I was headed back up, as I said, to put my stuff in the van, and I saw him fishing while I was fishing. He was on the other side of the creek, but when I got up there to put my stuff up, he was putting his stuff up, and we chatted for a little bit, and talked about martial arts, and of course martial arts, why not martial arts, and fishing and stuff like that. So he subscribed to Bentley's Backwoods Bushcraft. I told him about Zenshin Academy. I gave him a card for the dojo, and hope to see you up at the dojo. It would be really nice to get some more blood up there. We need some more people come up and start training. But anyway, we are absolutely in a great mood today. I just cannot explain how happy this is making me. Now, let me turn you around, and I'll try to shut up, and you'll just get this. Oh, yes! All right, this is what I got so excited about. The apples. Look. And some of them are actually turning. Oh, look at the apples. Ha 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 ha. All right. Let's see here. All right, this one right here. All right, yes. Let's taste it. Let's give it a taste. All right, here we go. Still a little hard. Man. Still a little hard, but they are edible. Hopefully I can get out here. Hopefully I can get out here before everybody else does, and I can get a hold of a handful of these apples. So here we go. Let's turn around and let's see what we can see. So black walnut. So the battery's about ready to die. I do have, I think, 3 more batteries with me. So that's good. There's black walnut tree. Oh, so beautiful. Just fantastically beautiful. Now, a honey locust. My favorite. Look at that. My favorite tree is the honey locust tree. That is just beautiful. Whew. The wind was blowing and I was underneath the tree, so all that water just fell on top of me. All right. I'm still eating my apple. It is so good. Like I said, it's still a little hard, but it's still delicious. And as ripe as you can get, well, as fresh as you can get. I pulled it right off the tree. The only other way I can get it fresher is I take a bite from it while it's still attached to the tree.
Ooh. Hopefully you can see the spider web. Very cool. That's what the trail looks like. It's a big old muddy mess. And I say it's beautiful. Whew. Every once in a while, I hit an open spot and the rain hits me. Hopefully, get back here in a little more dense part of the woods, and the rain will be sheltered. I'll be sheltered from the rain. Oh yeah, fantastic. And I know I say this just about every time, but right here, several winters ago, right in this area here, I found two foxes goofing around. They came bolting out, running down this trail, and I got some video of one of them. It was fantastic. Maple. Awesome. Oh, another spider web. Hopefully you guys can see that on camera. Not 100% sure whether you can or not, but maybe with the rain. Oh yeah, my feet are soaked already. Really makes me want to gather up some gear and come out and whoa, slide in the mud, come out and ran right into a spider web. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, dude. Water droplets on those. Oh. How freaking awesome is that? All right. Feels like the sun's coming out. Cool mushroom. Ooh, slipping again. Oh. Fantastic. Hear the rain. As soon as I come out from under this canopy, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna feel it too, so. Uh-oh. the beautiful black walnut. Another honey locust right there. This place is full of honey locust trees. That is just freaking cool. Oh, look at that yellow out here in the middle of all this green. Ooh, some nice purpley blue berries. There we go. Oh, there's a little critter right here. Let's see if we can get some video. Again, beautiful purple, surrounded by all this green. Look at that. And we are rounding our way back up to the apple tree. Look at that. That's just fantastic. Can't wait until these ripen. But we're gonna have to, right? All right, so I want to say thank you guys for watching Bentley's Backwoods Bushcraft. I've had a fantastic day out here. I got a couple more tasks I need to do today, and I may or may not be able to video those, so we'll see. But for now, I have to say I am super blessed to be able to come out here. And it's been a couple months since I've really been interested in doing this. And I have to say that the results have been physically enthusiastic, mentally enthusiastic, and spiritually enthusiastic. So today is a good day.